boundaries are crossed and order is challenged, justice steps into the scene. Swift, unforgiving, and leaving no room for second chances. On March 7th, 2025, a police shooting happened during a dangerous situation. Officer Nathan Anderson fired his weapon to stop a threat and likely saved another officer's life.
Turn off the car. Turn off the car.
No.
399, she's fleeing.
Get out of the car! Get out of the car!
Get out of the car!
No!
299, she almost struck me. Get out of the car!
After an independent investigation, police ruled his actions legal and cleared him for duty. One person died in the incident, which authorities called tragic.
Show your hands! Show your hands!
She struck me. Shots fired.
The German police have had enough of entitled Palestinian protesters. Do you agree with the way they are dealing with these rioters? A crowd closed in on an officer at House Park, showing how fast situations can escalate and why distance matters.
She's down.
Just after 2:30 a.m., a man attacked a patron with a knife on a bar rooftop in Puerto de Mazaron. Other patrons intervened, restraining the attacker, while another armed individual appeared and assaulted the victim again. Emergency services treated the victim on site, and both suspects were arrested the next day. A judge has ordered them held on attempted murder charges due to the risk of reoffending.
You like that? You like that? Yeah?
Here's your copies of it. You're gonna have to leave the property now. Do you have someone that can give you a
Her story
ride
sits
or-
somewhere between irritating and heartbreaking. After refusing to leave a shopping center after hours, she was issued a trespass warning.
We can take you somewhere.
God, I'm so triggered right now.
I'm sorry about that, but that's the way it is. It's law. You need to leave your hands like that.
She put on an emotional display, but the truth came out later. She had been living in her car. When it was towed, she chose jail, having nowhere else to go.
You just get right there.
Free, look how she took. Oh, she's trying to run.
Get in the car.
On October 5th, 2022, an officer was handling an incident at Hauska Park in La Crosse. While attempting to arrest a man, a hostile crowd gathered, and an uninvolved person intervened, trying to push the officer away from the suspect.
There was one on my butt, and that was it. I was only feeling it in my butt. That was it.
I tasted him down here. Oh, here's one. Here's one. Got it on video. I found one. If I see that other guy. Uncle!
Two female officers struggled to arrest a suspect at a downtown Miami Whole Foods.
I be wanting to help, but two girls, one guy. Two girls, one guy. Two girls, one guy.
The situation was resolved after two male officers arrived, and the suspect was handcuffed and taken into custody.
Almost killed me. You shouldn't work for them.
Enough!
Yeah, enough.
Out!
Yeah, I'm leaving. Give me my f***ing money.
The video shows a tense pursuit as Tim panicked, barricaded himself inside his car, and refused to surrender while police surrounded him. Once caught, he showed no remorse, hurling insults and launching delusional arguments about the law at officers.
Who wants to get hurt? Who wants this place? Go get the f*** away from me.
Unlock! Just unlock!
Alright, this was fun. So, I don't know why we did this. You're under arrest, okay? So, I'm gonna take this seatbelt off you, and you're gonna move out. Don't choke me. Do you understand that? Yes. Okay, we're done. Yes. Good. You're gonna get out peacefully? Yes. Okay. I promise. Alright, let's try to cuff him in back. Don't be rough. I'm gonna be calm.
Son.
Thank you for not hurting me, seriously. I mean it sincerely. Thank you for not hurting me. You guys are awesome. Thank you. Don't. I'm coming out. Don't yank me. Get down on the ground. Don't do that. You're making me. Stay right there.
The chaos continued at the station, where he violently resisted and issued extreme threats. His reckless defiance only worsened his situation, leading to multiple serious felony charges.
Constitution! Who? You follow the Constitution? Yeah. You took an oath, you piece of shit. You're a piece of shit. There you go. I'm from a police family, you motherfucker. You're a piece of shit. People here know what's right and what's wrong. Let me sit. Please, I can sit up. Your butt? Yeah, I can do this. Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Yes. You look good.
I have a flash.
Officers in Florida were called to assist an American Airlines crew as a situation spiraled out of control, involving NFL star Odell Beckham Jr. Flight attendants reported he was first seen wearing only underwear, then passed out in his seat and refused to fasten his seatbelt.
Two Frank. 9451. He's hiding. I can see him from where I'm at if I can get a unit to my location. Show me your hands.
That's not me.
Down on the ground now.
That's not me, sir.
See if Frankie's not cooperating. Down on the ground now!
It's not me, sir.
I'm gonna get pepper spray. Full pursuit.
When Beckham also refused to leave the aircraft, the entire plane was forced to deplane, a decision that likely cost him more than just a delayed flight, but a few fans as well.
Get on the ground.
Get down on the ground now! Do not move! Stop!
Whoa!
Turn around!
You on your stomach!
Turn around!
It wasn't even me!
If you ever feel foolish, just remember the guy who tried to steal a bicycle from a police officer. He wasn't even subtle about it. One glance through the window told the whole story. A sergeant moved in fast, taser ready, and made the arrest on the spot. Ladies and gentlemen, that's how Gladstone police closed their quickest burglary case ever. Pro tip for aspiring YouTube creators: this is not what you call content. Ironically, they still went viral, but the views didn't land on their channel. Instead, the spotlight belonged to the local news.
You fucking clear. Yeah. You say some other smart shit, I'ma punch your ass for your shit. Yeah. Are we clear? Yeah. Are we clear? Yeah. Clear? Yeah. Girl, say you fucking clear.
Well, he doing a cool song. What's down? Oh shit, little bitch. Oh, come on, dude. What? This what you get for talking shit, dumbass bitch? This what you get for talking shit, bitch ass nigga? Yeah, look at you, bitch ass nigga on the fucking floor. Yeah, bitch ass nigga. Bitch ass nigga. Bitch ass nigga pin on the fucking floor. Yeah, bitch ass nigga. Look, eating that shit. Bitch, fuck off me, nigga. You done. You done. You done. You done.
Enjoying the clips? Smash that like button if you believe in a little instant justice too. This man chose to turn his losing streak at the casino into everyone else's headache.
Oh shit. Oh shit. He's going to jail. He's going to jail.
Tourists told to stop being disrespectful to the Queen's Guard by armed police.
Basic human decency feels harder to find these days. And moments like this explain why tourists sometimes wear out their welcome.
Queen's Guard.
While he was busy mugging for the camera, authorities quietly closed in. In the end, he didn't get the shot he wanted, and all footage was ordered deleted before they were escorted off the property.